guys, welcome to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. In this video I'm going to share with you my favorite compacts which retail within rupees 200. So these are some very affordable compact powders which you can definitely try out. Before starting the video, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please take a moment to subscribe to my channel, hit the notification icon as well, and also please give this video a like and share if you find this video really helpful. So guys, let's get started and see what all compacts I have. I have this compact from Faces Canada. This is Faces Canada Weightless Stay Matte Compact SPF 20, and this retails for only rupees 199. But this product is always available on really very good discounts online. So you can see friends, this is the outer cardboard packaging. It is a very pretty golden matte packaging like this. This compact is also not tested on animals, so this is a cruelty free product which I really liked. So you can see the packaging. It comes in a black packaging like this, a black case you can see, and it also comes with a full size mirror over here you can see, which is really very handy for touch-ups and all. And here also one applicator is given which is really very soft and it is of good quality. So you can see the shade, this is the shade 01 Ivory, and it is a very pretty shade, and it is a very good shade for fairer skin tones. And you can see friends, it also blends really well as you can see, and it has a very mild fragrance which is not at all detectable. So it is really a very good compact that I've tried. It really sets makeup well. It also mattifies face, and also it gives a very good look. It gives sheer coverage as well. This compact is also really good for oily skin. It controls oil and sebum on face, and along with that it mattifies makeup. So if you're planning to buy any compact for daily basis, you can definitely buy this compact. If you don't have much skin imperfections, then you can only apply this compact on your face directly without going for any base product, and it gives a very natural kind of look. Next compact that I have is by Biotic. This is Biotic Natural Makeup Magic Compact, and this is in the shade Seashell, which is good for fair skin tones, which is good for my skin tone actually. So you can see the packaging of this compact. It is a very pretty packaging. I really like the packaging a lot, and here also we are getting a full size mirror you can see. It is of really very good quality. Here also a good quality applicator is given which I am using. As you can see, this is the shade. It really blends well. It gives a sheer coverage as well, and along with that it is really very good for oily skin. It mattifies face, and also it sets makeup really well. So this product is a very good product that I've tried, and I highly recommend to you. I have been trying this compact, and this is my current favorite. That's why I've hit pan in this compact, as you can see. The only con that I found is it has a smell. The smell is not very strong or very overpowering, but still then if you are someone who doesn't like smell in makeup products, then in that case you might not like this compact due to the smell. And leaving that apart, this compact is really good that you should definitely try. The next compact that I have is from Bella Voste. You can see this is the packaging. So this is Bella Voste compact powder in the shade C002 Ivory Touch. So this is a really good compact that I've tried. It gives sheer coverage, and it also mattifies skin, and it sets makeup really well. It also has a mirror you can see friends, and also with an applicator like this. As you can see, it is very soft applicator, and this is the shade. In this compact also I have hit pan because I have been using this compact and I really liked it. And you can see this is the shade. It is good for fair skin tones. It blends really well, and it has a very mild fragrance which is not at all very overpowering, or it is not going to bother anyone. So you should definitely give this compact a try, and this is available on purplle.com currently, and always good offers are going on this particular brand, that is Bella Voste. Buy one get one, buy two get two, such type of offers are always going on purplle.com. So at that time you can definitely pick this compact, and you will get it at a even less price. Next I have this Insight Makeup Essentials Mineralized Pressed Powder with SPF 24, and this is a new purchase that I've done recently, but I have tried this compact some 5 to 6 times, and I really liked it a lot. And it comes in many shades, and it is available on Nykaa.com, so definitely you can check it out on Nykaa. So the shade that I have with me is 01. This is natural base, and this is good for fair complexions, and it has a cool undertone. So the packaging, you can see the packaging is really very cute. It is a pink, light pink packaging like this. This compact also comes with a good quality mirror and with a very soft sponge. You can see this is not an applicator, this is actually a sponge which is very soft, as you can see, and it is of really very good quality. And you can see friends, this is the shade. So particularly this shade is good for very fair to fair skin tones, and you can see it looks little bit whitish after blending. Well, it comes to, but after blending, as you can see, it comes to my skin tone. So if you're someone who is one shade darker to my skin tone, it might look whitish on you, but it really looks good on my skin tone. It is not looking whitish on my skin tone. So definitely you can try this compact, friends. The only downside that I found is there is paraben in this product. So leaving that apart, this compact is really very good. It gives a very good mattifying effect, and also it sets makeup really well. It is also good for oily skin, controls oil and sebum on face as well. So definitely you can give it a try. And this is also a cruelty free product, it is not tested on animals. So next I have this compact from Blue Heaven. This is Blue Heaven Matte Effect Compact Powder with Sunscreen, and this is in the shade Natural. So my shade is Natural, but the packaging is not that good. It is little bit of flimsy, and as you can see, the compact is coming out from the case. It also comes with a full size mirror over here, which is of good quality actually. So you can see the shade, friends. So this particular shade will look good on fair to whitish skin tones. It might look a little bit whitish and cakey on dusky to deeper skin tones. So you can see this is the shade. It has a very good yellow undertone, so it will look good on yellowish fair skin tones, yellowish fair to medium to witty skin tones. Smell is so good, I like the smell a lot. And it also comes with a sponge like this, a sponge applicator which is very soft, and it is of really very good quality, which I really liked. It has a very good mattifying effect. It is very mattifying. So if you're having dry skin, then definitely you should not take this compact because it is very mattifying. And this is really good for normal to combination to oily to very oily skin. And it also gives us sheer coverage, which is really good. I liked. Maybelline, this is Maybelline New York Fit Me Matte Plus Poreless Compact Powder, and this is in the shade 109 Light Ivory. And this shade is actually a good match for my skin tone, and this is really very good compact that I've tried. You can see this is the packaging. The packaging is quite good. I like the packaging a lot. So it comes with a good quality mirror, as you can see. It also comes with the applicator, very good quality applicator like this. And you can see, friends, this is the shade. This shade is quite good for my skin tone actually, for fair skin tones. It will look good on very fair to medium skin tones actually. And this shade is really very good. I liked it. And this compact also provides sheer coverage. It also blends really well. It also mattifies makeup and also sets makeup really well, and also good for oily skin. You can definitely try it out. The smell is also very mild, and I really like the smell a lot. So always this compact you will get on good discounts. So I have taken this compact on flat 50% discount from Nykaa. I have got this for only rupees 100, which is so affordable. And it also has a SPF 28 PA triple plus sun protection. It provides a really very good sun protection as well. So next I have this compact, and this is from SFR Color. This is SFR Matte Compact Powder. It is a peachy kind of packaging, as you can see, and this is the shade 01, which is good for fair skin tones. There are two issues with the packaging. One is there is no mirror given with this compact, and also there is no applicator given. This compact is really good. The quality is good. It really mattifies skin. It also sets makeup well, and also good for oily skin. And you can see this is the shade. So this shade will go on very fair to medium to witty skin tones, and mainly on yellow skin tones it will really look good. And you can see this is the shade, and it blends really well. And there is also a very mild fragrance. It is not very strong. and I checked the ingredients list. There is also paraben in this compact. So if any one of you is having issues with paraben, then don't take this compact. So this compact is available on Cups and Lashes. I have taken this compact from Cups and Lashes. So definitely, if you want to buy this, you can take it. You can definitely try all these compacts. They are really very good. So friends, I hope you like this video and this video is really helpful. So I will see you in my next video. Till then, bye. Take care. Love you all.